I'm not large. I'm happy.
Bro, there's a camping asshole, bro. Get the
Oh, I see the kid. There's a kid. There's the katana kid.
Bro. Kill the person that's camping on my property. Get the off of my property, you stupid nigger.
Yo, I'm cutting you up.
Damn.
God.
How did you get on that?
You think you're invincible, but you actually are. You're not even slick.
Back.
Oh.
How did you get me? You can throw your knife? You can throw your knife? How do you throw your knife? What the heck? You don't throw your knife, you die, bro. Then how come do you destroy your controller? Excuse me, an idea. I think you destroy your controller. Cocksucker, die to me. Call me your king. Oh my God. Why are you so toxic?
Infected.
Why?
Win.
Yeah, boy, you're so